3 p.m. SuperSport United nePakajuju. Ngo-6 Stellies namakhosi. Ngo-8 Sandawana neSkhukhune United. Babina noko. Ungaphoswa ke kuba thina kumhlobo saphathela le midlalo yonke nje. I-trophy ye-Nedbank ilapha e-studio. Nonozakuzaku we-Nedbank Cup Ambassador. Itumela Nkhune, umazela kubafana bafana, umazela kumakhosi for life.
Extra wonke ngoko nangoko kwa-Shoprite Liquor Shop uzifumanele ii-6-pack ezimbini ezizi-500 ml zeSabrina Premium Dry Cider nge-260 Hennessy VS Cognac nge-529.99 kuphela. Beyonce Nobayini and Alice zifumaneka de kube yi-9 kaMarch. Abathengiseli abangaphansi kweminyaka 18 sala ngenkathalo.
Ndicela nindiphe indlebe mziwa kuthi.
Esi silumkiso sezezimali usiphathelwa ngabakwaSanlam.
Mamelani ke. I-30th check. Kani umosha imali ngongathi ininzi emva bethuna.
Ukuthetha ngezezimali ayisosithuko. Masiqalise ukuncokola ngazo Mzansi. Zivele ukuba wenza njani ku-livewithconfidence.co.za. Sanlam. USanlam Life umkhuseli wobubi onemvume, umboneleli kwinkonzo zezimali nombolekisi imali obhalisiweyo.
#ezemidlalo.
Nombendo lethu Spurs. Athi nje mhlawumbe umzuzu ube mnye nje usilonduna igosa lonxibelelwano phaya kwimarumo galants uyayiphika indaba yokuthi bona bazahamba bahambe bayijike iteam ukuze ibe yi-Celtic nini ngapha iRoyal yemile izidididi nayo so ikhona le nto izakwenzeka kuzakwenzeka ntoni
Buteza i-obvious into yokuba i-Celtic izawubuya ukuba ibuya njani izawubuya i-Celtic kunisele sebesho hayi and umamkhize wenza ube ngathi uyozokuyisa i-Celtic vele bekuyiyangale wayithatha kanti-ke nokusilo angayiphika Buteza uyayazi ngani akafuna ukuthetha inyani i-Celtic izawubuya whether izobuya ngapha or izobuya kusilo ngale
umhlobo wenene FM Nene FM itumele ngikakhune apha studio yenye family reunion le
Phuba kude mhlekazi.
Umnandi
Ndimandi tata. Wena njani?
Nangimnandi
Kudala ndingakubuzi.
No.
Ngivela kudala.
You know why ngibona isipondi lapha studio?
Yeah, no.
Lapha studio
Yabona ukuthi
kwasa ndiyibetha lapha studio.
Mhlekazi.
Sometimes ngikhwela phezulu kwetafile trouble man.
Hey.
Ha.
Ngiyakwazi nje mhlekazi.
Itu abantu abaninzi kuba ungasadlali bakubona phi ngoku?
Molo mhlekazi. Molo abalandeli bemhlobo wenene. Ndiyavuya ubaba. Kaninzi abantu bangazi ukuthi wangibone kuphi because bangijwayele efieldini.
Sure.
Angangithola ku-Nedbank offices.
Lovely. Fakuthai.
Yes, I'm a brand ambassador. Proudly.
Yeah.
Brand ambassador ye-Nedbank Cup.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Man.
And into imali futhi mhlekazi ukuba ndiyayiwina le cup.
Yeah, exactly. Yakwazi le cup.
2013.
We win it how many times?
Now ndiwine kayi-1 ibizwa i-Nedbank Cup.
Yeah.
Before
that, yeah.
Kulezi
Yeah, okay, wayilanda.
Angeke ngizibize ngama.
Yeah. Mara okay wayilanda yona.
Yeah.
Kakhulu. Ayisiyane. Hey, mara tomorrow I think history apha kumhlobo ne-FM kuso broadcaster all 3 games. And almost zonke radio stations zethu zalapha e-SABC. The TV, SABC Plus, kwi-app yethu zonke za games eka-3 ye-SuperSport nePakajuju, eka-6 yeZitellies namakhosi, eka-8 yeSandawana neSkhukhune, and I think i-feast yebhola le kubantu abaseMzantsi Afrika.
And uyazi ukuthi nami ngithola e-SABC Mountain.
Yeah.
So awangithole ema-ofisini weNedbank, ngithole ema-ofisini
Please.
we-SABC. So isekhaya apho.
Isekhaya.
Nami ndiphethe
Yeah.
i-clock card.
Yeah. Iyalapha ekhaya e-SABC.
Yeah.
Nini uyasasaza nangeSixhosa khawutsho?
Yeah, no, ndazithetha. Umakhulu wami bathetha isiXhosa.
Hayi bo.
Ndiyaxelela.
Nyani?
Yeah, from my father's side.
Wow, man. Wow. So ugodukile.
Mama katata.
Yeah, ugodukile. Umakhulu umsakazi wala bekhaya Eastern Cape. Wow. Itumele kakhulu ivoice yakhe leyo ivayo apha studio. Right. Now. Igame yokuqala ka3 sike sencokola no Khanyiso emoyeni ngoku. SuperSport United Kevin Hunt yazama. Ngapha iphakajuju. Nalo lizenze trouble.
Yashisa.
Uyinela bani le game?
Hlekazi mina all I can say ukuba iPirates izonqoba ngomso but what I like ukuba all the teams that will be playing ngomso they all deserve to be ku quarter finals and obviously babuzofuna ukuba kuma semi finals. So na trophy it's up for grabs. Loyifunayo will be more prepared than the other opponents wabo.
Ucinga ukuthi defending champions have got what it takes? Important. Sure. Yeah. All right. Okay. Sibulele kakhulu pha kuZuko, uDoc Mtokisi no Monwabisi. All right. Now, it took 1.5 minutes silapha emoyeni mina nawe, and I think like I send the message ye-safety ne-behavior yama-fans apha eGqeberha ezikhe zanconywa kakhulu i-fans ngokuba well-behaved. Ndiyathanda into yokokuba on behalf of i-Nedbank Cup ukube ne-message oyinika abathandi nabalandeli bebhola abeza kwezi games zonke, particularly le oze kuyo apha eGqeberha.
Iplea yami Mhlekazi siyaqela please ukuthi ama-fans afike early stadium.
Sure.
And the match iqale on time and babe well behaved, si-enjoy the match and futhi
iphazamisa kanjani lando ithu sorry le kokuba igame i-delay kick off nina senibuya ku-warm up.
No, iyasiphazamisa ngoba siyangena early siyaprepare and then kuthiwa 15 minutes delay, go back to the changing rooms. And especially masidlale FNB wayazi le channel inde kanjani. So where le uphinde ubuye uzwenza another warm up and ngegame yango 3 o'clock already ilanga liyashisa so ukhathele before igame iqala. So that's why maybe ama-game amaningi abananokuphela ngo-0-0 because sometimes ama-players are tired.
Ithu siyabulela kakhulu thina komhlobo we-NFM ambassador ye-Nedbank Cup. Nedbank Cup uyahaya mara
Tata, leyo it's a story for another day, but kune competition esiranayo ku-Nedbank. Sicela abalandeli bethu bafike early stadium noma uphethe i-general ticket.
Sure.
There's an opportunity ukuba ungeza uzothola i-VIP experience nami esudwini. So that because if you spot any Nedbank promoters, whether male or female, with your ticket, go to that person, but first come, first serve. Now to wonke umuntu uzofika kuleya suit, but mawufike early, kuma promoters, then uthi na ticket lam bazokuletha esudwini so that we enjoy the match.
Itumele kakhulu yamba kumhlobo ne-Nedbank ethu kanti ke ngoku sifikelela ngolo hlobo thina esipheleni sezemidlalo ngokufa nje ndibane nemidlalo ekuseni phaya kwi-Saturday breakfast apha kumhlobo wenene.
Ngosi tata.
Stand by news at the end of the billboard.
That's why you Hollywood bet.
No problem.
Unthumele impicture ke.
Mawuzongifota
Ngefoni yakho ngizofota nawe. Uzongithumela wena.
ngizomthumela.
Uyifuna ngakuphi?
Esifuna ngapi? Right now.
Studio.
Ay video le kanye picture.
Very nice. Uzovela
What is it, Maria? Controller still. Ubay problem. I mean, ubay producer. We problem.
Entitlement on way.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ujwayele ibamba ngesandla eziyi-1. Iplayer awufufuzele ngayo futhi.
Ukulive kaloku yena. Isifotile nemo sizosithumela.
Ngizokuthandela.
Ekuthi kumnyama lo check yoba iqiniso ba.
Lo check. Last one.